In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Kia Niro key fob. This key fob was used on Niros between 2017 and 2020, and it takes one of these CR2032 batteries to run. The first step is to flip it over and hold this silver button down so that we can pull out the internal key. Now you can see the keyhole, and just opposite that, a smaller hole, a little indentation. Take a flathead screwdriver, insert it into that hole, and twist. And you'll see with that twisting motion, we've started to open up this device, and you can just pull it apart with your fingers, or you can work your way down that opening, twisting, so that it comes apart very easily like that. Okay, be careful with this. We're just gonna set this to the side for now, and come over here and work on the battery. So you want to use a flathead or a similar tool, just something that can help you to get under the battery here, so that you can kind of lift it up with a prying motion. Yeah, just like that. Now we have our battery here. Take a new CR2032 battery, make sure it goes face down, and click it back into place. Okay, now if your circuit board fell out of this little housing, what you're gonna wanna do is match the shape up here, just so that it fits in place like that. See, there's a curve on this side. And just gently push it into place so that it sits down, doesn't wiggle around, it's not coming out. And now you're just going to take this and put this on top. Click the whole thing back together and put the internal key back in its place. And that's really all it takes. You are all set and ready to go. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let us know in the comment section, and maybe even give us a like. And for any more information on how to change the battery for any key fob from any make or model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.